Welcome to this video. All right, so we're going to be talking about code P0299, and hopefully we'll get your situation fixed, but we're going to go through the symptoms, what causes it, etc., etc. So if you guys have this code, obviously you have a check engine light, and you have a check engine light because your car's computer uh, sees that there is a low output from your turbo, especially if the output is very low. And this code can only be read if you have a check engine light and a scanner, and you're probably here because you scanned it and that code came up. But let's talk about what causes it. And this code will only appear, obviously, if you have a turbocharger. If you don't have a turbocharger, you definitely won't have this code. So if you have a turbocharger, like most vehicles do, they get more power out of a smaller engine without adding more fuel and increasing the air volume into the engine. Recycled exhaust gases spin the turbo turbine, hence the whirling sound that you hear to increase intake pressure, send more air through the cylinders for combustion, and this is also why there's a lag when you floor the car. The turbo needs a second to spool up. And the most common symptom of code P0299 is the check engine light coming on. Aside from the light, you might hear strange noises coming from your vehicle's turbo when you're driving and reduced engine power. In fact, some vehicles with this code will go into limp mode with this check engine light. So you guys don't know what limp mode is. Essentially, it's your ECU activating a safeguard feature for your car so that your car does not break, does not have more damage from you driving it normally. Essentially, you could probably drive around 20 miles per hour. You're not going to get a lot of power from your vehicle if you guys are put in this mode. Basically, also the air conditioner and the heating might stop working. If you're in limp mode, dashboard lights will probably flash or turn on. Your engine probably won't go above 2,000, 3,000 RPMs. Car might shake, poor performance, and probably can't go above 25 miles per hour. If you guys have this code, you probably want to know how serious it is, and it is quite a serious code. It could cause your engine to perform poorly, and most vehicles with this code will go into limp mode to save power and avoid damaging other parts of the vehicle. So what causes this P0299 code? So let's just go down the list of what could cause this problem. And the most obvious cause would be a broken turbo. When the turbocharger breaks, it'll result in the code and potentially cause other problems. Could be any issue in the turbo that reduces the ability to produce boost. Another cause of this code is low oil pressure or bad oil. If your car doesn't have enough oil to lubricate the turbo turbine, it'll sustain damage with every time it runs. Also, you could also check the airflow sensors or the exhaust gas recirculation system, the EGR. They could also could also cause this problem. So if you guys have this problem, it's probably not a good idea to drive this vehicle. And reason being is that you're going to be in limp mode, and limp mode, the vehicle's not going to run normally anyway. You're going to not be able to probably drive above 25 miles per hour, and just driving it more and more will probably cause you more issues. So aside from that, if you guys have an OBD2 code, this code in particular, definitely check out the turbo. That's probably could be your main issue. If you guys have any questions or any kind of comment about your own experiences with this code, definitely drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know what caused it. Chances are it's probably your turbo that caused it, but could be the other stuff that I mentioned. Please drop a comment regardless. It might help somebody else out. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.